Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. So Halloween is here, obviously, coming really, really soon. And usually I have these elaborate Halloween parties, but I am so thankful that my kids are older now. There's no more big, giant, 300 people in our house Halloween parties. Now it's just making great cocktails and saying happy Halloween and having a little bit of candy around the house and having something yummy to eat. Keep it simple, nothing major. But for Halloween this year, I'm gonna make an apple pumpkintini. What's an apple pumpkintini? It's just some cocktail I found on Pinterest that looks good. We're gonna try it, so let's get it going. What I'm gonna use is, I'm gonna use pumpkin, organic pumpkin puree that you get in the store with vanilla vodka. I love vanilla vodka. You know, it's actually kind of hard to find vanilla vodka nowadays. I had to go like 3 stores. Used to find it everywhere, but I couldn't, but I found it just for this cocktail. Apple cider, which I just love apple cider this time of year. And then I'm going to use ginger brew that's kind of got a pumpkin flavor to it. You can also get pumpkin ale too at Trader Joe's. So there's all these great different drinks just for Halloween, and I'm gonna do an apple pumpkintini. So 2 tablespoons of puree that you put in your shaker. You're gonna do 3 ounces, and this is probably gonna make 2 drinks actually. 3 ounces of apple cider before I spill it everywhere. Oh, that's not working, so I'm just gonna go for it. There. The exact measurements will be on the site. 2 ounces of vodka, vanilla vodka. And then I'm just gonna do 1 ounce of ginger brew, pumpkin ginger brew that I got at Trader Joe's. All right, and then I'm gonna shake it up. But before I shake it up, I'm gonna do a rim of a lime, and then it's sugar and cinnamon. Okay, that's 1. All right. Yum. I'm really into making drinks for the holidays. I'm always looking for a new type of drink. What can be fun and festive? You know, for Thanksgiving, I always do something crazy. Halloween, you know, I'm always looking for something new. So, and Christmas. All right, so let's shake it up. Hope I don't make a mess here. But you got that puree in here, the pumpkin puree. So I really want to shake it up and loosen it up. Ooh, it's messy. Okay, I'm making a mess, or I need a new shaker. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm making a mess, but for Halloween, let's see if this is good. That tastes like Halloween. You know, it actually tastes like pumpkin with vodka. It's really good. It's not too sweet either. All right, let me get my kids to go hang out and give a toast to the Halloween night and celebrations. They don't get a cocktail. I'm just gonna give them apple cider. Let me get my kids to toast Halloween and the Harvest Festival and fall. Happy Halloween, happy harvest, and I'm thankful to have you 2 in my life. Cheers.
Yeah,
love you guys.
Okay.
Smooch. I love you. Cheers. I'm making a mess. Hey, who wants a cookie?
Of course I would.
After dinner, ha ha ha, tricks.
Mom.
All right, guys. Well, Alley in the Valley, thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
For my apple Pumpkintini cocktail, you know where to go, AllieInTheValley.com. Don't forget, if you like this video, if you follow me, subscribe. If you like this video, like it. And I hope you and your family have a safe holiday. More holiday specials are coming on my show every week, a video. And happy Harvest Day.
Happy Halloween.